Hey guys, it's me, Brunetta. What's up, all of my big box gift shop subscribers? Right now, we are on the Craft Square channel. This is my very first video, so before we can make some amazing crafts and come up with some amazing DIY creations, if you're following my big box gift shop channel, you know that this is my craft board. One side, on the other side, it's all magazine pages, and I just pasted them all over the board and came up with an amazing just design. Okay, but this is my other side, guys. Isn't it cute? I had already started and I was like, wait, I need to get the camera. So I wanted to do something funky, so let's just see what happens with this. I got my black, I got my yellow, and I got my red. And as you can see, look at what your girl has created. So I think I'm gonna add a little bit more black because of all that over there. And let's see what happens. Guys, my name is Brunetta. If you are just now joining my page and you are a part of the Craft Square family, I love crafts. I am a Dollar Tree girl, and we are using your Crafter Square tempera paint and acrylic paint, and this is located at your local Dollar Tree. Guys, I love Crafter Square. I love the Dollar Tree, and it inspired me to name my channel the Craft Square. So all of my products I am using, most of my all of them really, 90% of my products are from the Crafter Square at the Dollar Tree. This is a little brush set from Crafter Square. I love the Craft Square. We are gonna make some amazing oh, I just put that on the carpet. We're gonna make some amazing crafts this season and for the rest of our lives on this channel. Look at that. How do y'all think that look? Should I smear some of it? I'm in my craft room, by the way, guys, and I am putting stuff all over the carpet. I'm in a rental right now. My landlord, oh, he is so gonna keep my deposit because I have got paint everywhere. What do y'all think? Look at that. It is so funky. I love crafts. Look at that. What do y'all think? I think it is amazing. It looks so good. I was thinking about adding black. Should I just leave that naked, like right there, just give it some character? What do y'all think? Or should I just bam do that? Oh, I think that is it. I think that is it. Okay, now I was thinking about doing green. I have some lines over here from pencil marks. Hey, it's all art. So I'm just gonna do this like right there a little bit with the black. Why not? And it'll cover up a little of those pencil marks that we had. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That looks amazing. That looks amazing. Oh, we are gonna make some amazing crafts on this board. We're gonna do some amazing things. I'm so excited. Look at that. I think that's gorgeous. Now, since we're doing crafts, should we add some glitter to this masterpiece? Guys, I love crafts. Get creative. You could, oh, what if we create our own DIY artwork and paintings by getting some boards from our local Home Depot or your local general store or whatever, or your Lowe's? That would be amazing. Okay, I think we need to go here because we got some pencil right there. We were originally gonna do something else. I love this. This is amazing. All right, so I think I'm gonna go. So I have this Crafters. Can y'all see that? I have that Crafter Square paint. It's like a goldish shimmery. I think I'm gonna add, and I have the silver. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but it is gorgeous. Crafter Square. I love you. Not sponsored, but is. So we're gonna do the same thing. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That looks so good. It looks so good. Now, the glitter, I don't think Ooh, that's little dots. Okay. Okay, little blobs. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. And I'm also going to use the golden one that I just showed you guys. So, welcome to the Crafter Square. I am creating my DIY craft board for us to create some amazing, amazing crafts, guys. I have so many amazing things planned for crafts this season, this year, for this channel. I'm so excited. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below if you're gonna create your own DIY craft board using your Crafters Square paint collection. They are so amazing at your local Dollar Tree. Ladies and gents, get out there and create something amazing today. Get out and craft something amazing today. I am Bree. I love you guys. See you soon.